me it is.
Can you even see me?
Yeah, I can see you. They'll be like, hey, why are you recording government property? You can, it's okay.
Huh?
You can, it's okay.
Today we're going to our 18 weeks checkup.
Oh, yay.
That was fast.
Yeah, it feels like we were just here. Time's going by so fast. I can already see why, like after or be born, and like one day is gonna just go by like that.
Oh, you're recording.
Oh, oops.
You're recording already.
One day is gonna go by just so fast.
Yeah.
And they will turn into a week into a month.
Yeah. So fast. We're done.
We're done.
That really wasn't a lot. It wasn't a lot, right?
No, that was quick.
Yeah, that was like literally in, questions, hear the heartbeat, out. Probably took like 15 minutes. The max. Boo! I don't like quick appointments.
You don't?
No. Well, I do and I don't.
Well, at least not for this. You wanted like something more probably.
Yeah, like I wanted at least like an ultrasound, but they don't really do that there. That's kind of weird.
Is there no need for an ultrasound?
There is. That's why she gave me the
Oh, for the lab to go over there.
the appointment for somewhere else, but they don't do it there.
It's weird. Yeah, it's weird. Why wouldn't they do it? Why wouldn't they do it? Why wouldn't they do it? It's gonna rain.
Oh. Yeah, like don't they have the equipment to do the ultrasounds? Like, why do we have to go off post? Hi guys. So, like you saw, we just got out of our 18-week appointment. I can't believe 18 weeks. 18 weeks and 2 days today. And my app says, what does my app say? I actually found this really good app. It's called the Baby Center, and it's very good actually. Hold on, let me show you guys. It actually tells you shows you how big your baby is in the womb. I just think that's so cool. So it says your baby is as the size of a bell pepper, and then my other app says it's big as a cucumber. I have so many apps, like it's crazy. So yeah, I've been feeling really good with my pregnancy. The nauseous, like it mostly went away. It's just sometimes when I eat, like after I eat. All right guys, so here are the chairs. Hi. Here are the chairs. They actually came before Monday. Yay! So nice. I love the detail on the sides right here. Hello, sir.
Hi.
Thank you for doing it, sir.
Yes. I want food.
Yes, the food is currently being done.
Thank you.
So there's 2 in each pack, and we actually got it from Target, and they're pretty good quality. It actually feels really nice. And here's the table, and I got this from Amazon, and look how beautiful that looks. It looks so pretty. Got it from Amazon. And the table from Target too. These are from Marshalls, right? Forgot. I think it's from Marshalls. This we got it from Target and on our wedding registry. And then these are our favorite candles, and these are actually from IKEA. And yeah,
It's ready.
the table is ready. Yeah, right. You're missing the legs.
It's ready.
You're missing the legs. All right, sir. But yeah, it's actually not a huge table, but it's definitely big enough for us. And what I like is that the chairs actually go with our bar stools. And this we got it from Amazon. And yeah,
which screw the long one.
And I just took the best nap. Yeah, I'm saying I took the best nap after our appointment, and I feel like a whole new person, guys. I feel like a whole new person because sleep has been awful lately. I have like insomnia. I think that's what it is. Yeah.
No, me.
I haven't been able to sleep good, so I took my first nap in like months today, and I felt awesome. So,
like
but good.
Winner.
Yeah. And we actually have these that we bought from Walmart. These curtains that we need to put up too. He did already put up these. So we need to put the same as this over there. But military homes are not that hard to decorate. I don't know how come other people are always complaining that they don't know how to decorate a house and stuff, but I don't think it's that bad.
No.
You just gotta be creative and stuff. It's the same thing if you're like an outside house.
It feels like it's like a big template, a blank canvas.
Yeah. Like you can't do stuff to the walls and stuff, but
I mean,
you can if you fix it, but who has time for that? No. Can't wait. Come on, dude. Come on. Come on. The chair. The chair.
That's I'm getting the stuff ready that I'm gonna use. No me griten, por favor.
He doesn't know what yelling is, y'all. He does not know what yelling is. Oh! Guys, it's been 11 hours since he started. When are you gonna be done?
It's custom work I'm doing now.
Alright, sure.
They're lucky they're not hearing from us about getting a new one. I have to like fix it. And somebody's just gonna be like, hold on. Somebody's just probably gonna be like, oh, are you sure you're reading the instructions correctly or whatever? It's very simple. I'm not being proud, but I know what I'm doing. Are you really zooming?
Yes. Come on.
Yeah, I have to fix it. The thing is too tight. Like it's they didn't give me like the right measurements or dimensions. So it literally is really hard to put in there.
I find myself to be an old school planner kind of girl. I personally like to
Girl?
write things down in a planner.
Yes, sir.
Like an actual physical book, just because
I've cooked twice, and I gave him food twice, and I've allowed him to take a break twice. And he's still not done. Finally. Sheesh.
Where do you want it? Your Majesty.
Right there.
Here?
Yeah, right there. Woohoo!
Are you recording?
Yeah.
You ready for this?
Yeah.
One from Amazon, and also I have seen these sold at Target. The only thing is they don't.
Is it grabbing?
This.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Come on.
So I will be linking.
Go there.
Why?
I honestly feel like I
Put it on the sit.
for January.
Wow.
So that's
5 hours later.
This month, and also plan my goals for 2020 because I actually did do that.
Yeah. Hey, this was perfect. Wait, hold on.
What?
Okay.
And
Go.
then
Sit.
these are the pens and markers I will be
Yeah.
using. So I have the collection of
Look, break it. You heard that?
Yeah, I heard that.
and the colors I'll be using are pink and black. So here are
That's good. You like it?
pens, regular
Obviously, you
pens,
can't push it.
some sticky notes. I have these markers that I normally use for my planner and my to-do list. So
I like it.
this one here is
Feels
my
good.
week to-do list.
It's comfortable.
I personally like these more because I can just like rip it and use another one if I want to. This was from last week. And I have some notebook. This is a book that I'm trying to get
Next.
into more.
Excuse me. Hello.
Are the lens clean?
Yeah. It's my favorite area. But what the heck is this? Most importantly, this is my favorite brand. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. Look how nice. I love all she makes. Right?
Mm-hmm. Looks like good stuff. Looks cute.
Mm-hmm. Alright. Let's move on. Oh, there's more. Ooh. Ooh. It's pretty. Okay. Bye-bye. This is like hospital.
Huh?
This is like hospital.
Yeah, it is. I mean, I like the mat. Oh,
I like it though. Oh, I like them. Wanna buy like 2?
We have plenty. We don't even use.
Party
We use
pooper.
half of them.
Okay, but look how cute. Should we buy like 2?
No.
The cups.
No.
No? Why?
You really want to?
The pink. They're 50 cents. Guys, they're 50 cents.
I'm trying like not to get in your
don't-
camera.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Yeah, I think I like them.
Focus. Okay.
But we have a lot of plates, no? We didn't even use the black ones or the white ones.
These are good for platanos.
I just got it.
My phone is ringing.
It's
You got
your phone.
No, it's in my purse.
Oh. Chris Mary?
Answer her. Tell her that I'm busy. Shopping.
She's busy shopping. For the house.
Hi, Chris Mary. How are you? Alright, I'm gonna show you guys what we got at Walmart. And we didn't get that many things, but we ended up getting a pack of these Jello snacks because I used to love these in the summer, and my friend just bought them and she literally made me crave them. So then I bought some penne pasta, which is my favorite, and then I also bought this marinara sauce because I'm gonna make some chicken parm. And here's the chicken. I bought these, and then I also bought conditioner that I need, and then I bought a scissor, cooking scissor I needed, and I actually bought 3 of these. I know they're not super healthy, but I know they're not super healthy, but I'm gonna try them out, and I've been loving these soups. So whatever I crave, guys, whatever I crave. I know, one's for him, and all 3 for me. And I also bought some half and half, which I also used to cook, so that's why it's humongous. Alright. And then we also did end up buying two of these plates. So
The one that I'll say, no?
the one that Josue didn't want to buy. And then I also bought some oil. I don't like using this oil anymore, although it says heart healthy. Sure. I don't like buying it, but some things I can use it for and some things I don't. So I don't want to use my expensive oil all the time for dumb little things. So I bought some Gain. I bought this one because Judy said they were good, so let's try them out. And then bought some bacon and some organic eggs. These are my favorite ones. And then you tasted it. And that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so I'm actually going to do one of these HelloFresh meals. We started getting them just to try it out, but we're not gonna keep getting them anymore because they're expensive, you know. Very expensive. So this one's actually the pork and poblano tacos, and this is how they look like, and we're gonna try it out. This one says cut the veggies, make the crema and salsa sauce, make the onion sauce, cook the pork, and that's pretty much it, to be honest. Oh, and let me show you guys. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with him?
I was gonna bite your hand too.
That's not rude. So be mad rude. You're scaring me. But yeah, they come like this. They come like this in like little packet, and you just open it up. They bring all. You told me to talk to them. Why? Get out of here with your booyah. So they bring all the ingredients. They bring cilantro. Forgot to buy it at Walmart, so now I have it.
Oh.
Cilantro brings the kiwi. I don't know why this taco needs kiwi, but all right.
It's exotic.
Pepper. It's exotic. They bring everything like labeled already in little packets. Everything you need for the ingredients. Onion. The tortillas. And then the meat. I actually have it already.
Ready.
The ground pork. They give it to you like little packets like this. So let's do this. Let's. I really don't want to do this right now, but I gotta eat, so yeah. I'm not putting kiwi in this bin. There's no way I'm putting kiwi in this. No, I want to put in fruit and tacos. You know I don't like meat and fruit.
When is it served? At the end? Or?
At the end. You can put it at the end, but I won't put it. Oh no. I mean, I'll chop it up and you're at it then.
Okay.
No, I'm not gonna do that. All right, so let's do this.
Nice.
Yeah.
But they definitely work. Like I said, if you are, you know, your lifestyle, like exercise, I forgot to mention one of the most important things, and that was the fajas. Also amusing.
How good does these tacos look? Oh my god. And it looks good on the plate, huh? Plate are nice, huh?
Yes, it does actually. Very nice.
Look how good these tacos look. Looks so good. Here you go. Bye.
This is mine?
Yeah.
Woo. I'm gonna take one for the gram. For
Wow, dude. Bye. And this is mine. Let's go.
oh, it's good.
It looks so dark in here.
I know.
There you go. Yay! Looks so good, guys.
Oh gosh. Great.
Looks so good. We really like HelloFresh. It's been really good. It's kind of expensive, but the food is really good. The recipes
Very easy and very simple.
very easy and simple and good.
And simple, not like they're lacking in creativity, but
They're all tasty.
yeah, they're all tasty. Like, they know what they're working with
yeah.
to make it so tasty.
I like all of them. Like I saved the little cards because I'm gonna keep doing
Make
it.
it on your own. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, guys, it's time to eat.